My top coin for 2022 goes to subscribe. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Would you like to be a part of this giant juicy fees cake, whatever that you want to call it? 3.5 million fees occur again and again, and this whole fees started basically to explode. I want to be a part of this graph start to explode not a year ago, just basically around November. This is the end of October. November fees, look at this jump, look at this jump, look at this jump. We are here, we are accumulating so much fees, those fees going back to the coin holder. How do you get these fees? Let's talk about my favorite coin, which is this one, Keeper. Keeper is my #1 pick for 2022. Ticker symbol K, pre-free R. Thank you, you can go now. But if you want to stick around, let me tell you about Keeper. The developer, pay attention to the team, not just all those rugs. Okay, the team that made Keeper, I don't know if you heard about this coin, but I hope you are. The Wi-Fi, Yearn Finance. Andre Konya built Wi-Fi more than a year ago at $30 or so on day one. It went to 3,000, 100x in like 2 months, and from 3,000 it went to like almost 100,000 in about a year, and now it settles at around 30,000. When this developer does something, I pay attention. You know what else he did? He did this one. Do you know the name Phantom? I'm super bullish on Phantom. I think he's either the lead developer, but he's definitely full-time on Phantom, building the ecosystem there. And lately, I mean a year ago, but only now in the last 2 months, it started to explode in fees to the community that holds the coin. He built Keeper, and he also said that Keeper and Phantom are his 2 full-time projects in his Twitter. Go follow him. I think that's what he says. Don't quote me on there. I saw it like a month ago. So something like that. Keeper. What do you get when you buy the coin? You get 4 projects. Currently, only this one makes the most amount of money. The others are not even live yet. This one you basically get, I don't know, stable forex, 35% Aussie dollar, 32% Swiss franc. You get a piece of, instead of stable coins, DAI, USDC, all those, forex. When a project will be able to implement forex into crypto, it's a $6 trillion market per day trading volume in forex. If forex goes to crypto, you need some heavy hitters to do so. So I'm banking on the developers of Wi-Fi and Phantom to do the same. And it's starting to do this, and you see the fees from all those forex stable coins are starting to go exponentially high. This was less than a million like 2 months ago. It's almost 3.5 million right now. The price, just so you know, the price was about $2,000. Let me take you down here. About $2,000 when those fees started to explode about 2 months ago. Then we saw Black Friday about three weeks ago or something with Bitcoin, and when everything went down 15%, and this went down from 2,000 to like 500, and it's around 750 now. The key with Keeper, there's gonna be 4 projects total, all accumulating fees. 4 projects, all accumulating fees, and those fees are not going to 4 different coins. They are all going to the Keeper hodlers, and it's the same concept as I talked about in my top 22 picks, coins for 2022. Same concept as Curve and Convex Finance. You buy the coin, you stake it for as long as the more you stake it, the more rewards you get. And that's the police outside. I hope they're not coming to take me about talking about crypto. If you like this joke, subscribe. You're gonna get 4 projects, all generating fees, all those fees funneling into Keeper holder. The more you stake, the more you will earn. Everyone will bribe you, like just like they bribe a curve holder, just like they bribe convex holder. You saw where convex went basically in the last, I don't know, since it started 6 months ago. This is key in finance in DeFi. Instead of just farm and dump, you buy a coin. The developer is the person that made Wi-Fi and Phantom. If you believe in the developer, which I am, you believe in the great things that he can do, which he does with Wi-Fi. It went $30. Are you kidding me? To like 100,000. That's better than Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin in a year. Okay, instead of 10 years, you got everything in Bitcoin. But nobody talks about Wi-Fi. I don't know why. But now he moved to those projects, Phantom and Keeper. 4 projects, funnel into one. You're gonna get Keeper. I wish you all a happy holidays, guys. And basically, I will see you next time. Yeah.